Hi guys, my today's makeup look is for those of you who go to office every day. Normally people are hard pressed for time before going to work with very few minutes on hand for makeup. In this video I will show you a basic makeup look along with a few more options. So let's begin. Start off with a lip balm as it is very useful in keeping the lips hydrated. Next I go in with a moisturizer. I use Cetaphil for sensitive skin. If your work life is hectic and is bound in air-conditioned offices, then keeping your skin hydrated should be a must. Moisturizers come with tons of benefits, so you can apply them every single day. Next, I apply a skin tone corrector by Stila. This product evens out the skin very well. You can also use a primer instead if you're going to apply a foundation later. Next, I use L'Oreal's True Match BB Cream. It's a tinted cream with added 35 SPF. Speaking of SPF, you could also daily use a sunscreen after your moisturizer. Sunscreens shield skin from harmful UV rays and are generally a good cosmetic option. So I take some BB cream and just bounce it off on my face with a beauty blender. Next, I use L'Oreal's True Match Concealer in the shade W45 on my under eyes and a little here and there on the face. In this video, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do in 5 to 10 minutes before heading to work. So concealer in that sense is optional. However, apart from concealing blemishes on days when you're tired and like sleep deprived, a concealer is a good friend. And speaking of concealers, you can click on the link here to watch my video on smart concealer hacks and ways of application. With me, no matter how awake or active I am, it doesn't look that way without an eyeliner. I'm applying Chambore's liquid eyeliner. It's great for daily wear and comes off easily with one wash, but if you're headed for an office party, opt for a more waterproof option. Moving on to my favorite and very popular, especially in India, the Kajal pencil. Click on the link below to see different ways in which you can apply your Kajal. In this look, I've not applied the kohl on the entire waterline. I just stopped the application midway. Now this surely doesn't need any practice at all. Just open up your lashes with a few coats of mascara. You can also apply some mascara on your lower lash line. It just takes a few seconds. I often see women ignoring their eyebrows and I really feel they deserve more attention. You see, eyebrows need not always be on fleek like you see them on Instagram and social media, but yes, at least grooming them with a spoolie and filling them up with some product makes the face look very clean. You can look very bright and ready for the day with some blush. Just take a tiny amount on your brush and with a very light hand apply on the apples of the cheeks in circular motions. Remember the lip balm you applied in the beginning? Just dab it off with a tissue and apply your choice of gloss or lipstick in any color your heart desires. I'm wearing a Diamond Shine Gloss by Colorbar. It's my go-to lip gloss and I just hope they don't ever discontinue it. With this we finished the basic look. Let's have a look at the other things you can do. If you have the time and want a fancier look, you can splash some eyeshadow on. Just take some shadow on your fingertips and apply it on the eyelids. Now if you want to add some dimension to your eye makeup look, take a matte eyeshadow and apply it along the crease of your eyes and simply blend it out in forward and backward motions. Get glowing with a highlighter. If you have a presentation or a public speaking event where you could be under lights, then applying a highlighter would work well for you. Highlighters add that radiance. Again, you need not have Instagram-like glammed up highlights. Just dabbing some shimmer across the cheekbones is good to go with. I'm using a liquid highlighter in the shade Champagne by Makeup Revolution. If you don't have a highlighter, then you can also use an eyeshadow for very light shade with gold or shimmery undertones. There are just so many colored eye pencils out in the market in different textures and different possible colors that you can play with. Apply a colored eye pencil on the waterline or use it as an eyeliner. I'm using Forest Green Long Wear Eye Pencil by Faces Canada on my lower lash line. Some colors look too loud for office, but sometimes depending on the industry you're in, it's okay to sport brighter colors. If so, do try them on. These days, nudes have a variety of shades too, so yes, you're pretty much spoiled for choice. So these were a few options for daily office look. Of course, you don't have to do all of them at once, but you can do like a technique a day. Hope you find this video useful, and if so, do give it a like and hit on the subscribe button to watch more videos. You can also read more wellness blogs on www.fashiontourist.co. So until next time, goodbye and take care.